What's good, everybody? I done come up and got me a GoPro now, yo. Alright, so yeah, we got a new camera. Car's no longer in its spot. We've moved it. Excuse all that, I'm still working on cleaning everything up. Got it all nice now. So we got the car moved. It's over in the driveway. Right here in this area, I'm gonna use that for some sheet metal work. But right here in this area, I'm gonna start concreting that in, and that's gonna be the temporary workshop until we get that workshop fixed. Got the parts set up on the little shelf here I bought, and yeah, we're about to work on getting filling that hole, fixing that hole. I got the welder out. Yeah. So, oh, one more thing. The steering wheel. We're gonna be changing out the steering wheel. I'm gonna put the Sparko in there. The old lady wants the Sparko and her Miata over there. And I done picked up a little Altima for a daily, or a second daily actually. Yeah. She wanted the Neochrome and NRG in her car, so we're gonna put it in her car. Alright, today we're gonna work on getting this hole patched up, getting it all primered over and everything good to go on that. That's what all we're gonna try to get done for this episode. Might take me a couple days, like the last video did. Took me a couple days to get it done, get it finished. Yeah, but I did have a little malfunction. One of my extension cords melted out on the melted out the plug on the air compressor. Had to replace that, but you know, things happen. So let's dive into it. Yeah. Alright. Now, take a cardboard, old piece, and make a template. And then we just weld her in. Hell yeah. That's a perfect fit. That's why you always use your old parts. Now we just yeet. Always wanted to do that. Ah. All right, back guys. All right, so all I did, I had that spare shelf I had over there that was all rotted out. Used it. I'm gonna use that. It's about the same thickness steel as I want to get for you know, the car anyways. All I did was bust out my soapstone, copy the template, and now I'm just gonna cut it off. So basically all I'm gonna do, so I'm just gonna cut it down around, and then take my grinder with the Scotch-Brite, clean it up real nice, grind it down. I'm gonna primer one side of it that's going down, so both surfaces are primed and protected. We'll snip it. Or then we're just gonna weld it. Yeah, this is a lot easier with some curved nips. But I didn't keep enough oil on them and they rusted. So they're in pretty bad shape. Alright, got that all painted up. Time to let it dry, and then we'll get it put in. I got a pretty good fire under the car. Yeah. Alright. Well, as you can see, we've gotten almost halfway around. Almost. It's just a pain working with flux cores all. Alright. There's that. Real time. we're gonna let that cool down. I'm gonna go cool down. And we'll get into grinding this all out. Painting her up. Alright, I'm back, guys. I mean, this thing's gonna look prettier and all or nothing. It's gonna look like shit. I mean, to be honest, it's really gonna look like trash. But it's holes patched. All right, that's all it really matters. The holes are patched. I get this hole patched. This one laid back down and welded. We're good to go. I put my seat in then. Then we can really get this thing done. So guys, that's why I need a new air compressor, or better air compressor. Better air pressure. That's why I need a, see all that pitting? That's why I need a gas welder. With a gas welder, I'll get cleaner welds. I also need a weld helmet. Solid. I'm gonna vacuum it out and let me vacuum this shit up. We'll move on to the next part. Well guys, that's all I'm gonna be able to get done for the day. I gotta wire me in an outside plug on a new breaker for the house. I need to get a new air compressor. I need to get a new welder. I get all that, it'll make it a lot easier to get this done. But as you just saw, I mean, it looks as good as it's gonna get. From a distance, it's done. Up close, yeah, no. I just don't like how that looks. And I mean, it's gonna work for now. I mean, it is the shit. Bye.